Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well, and in this video we will learn to create how you can do vertical and horizontal scrolling inside Figma. So without wasting time, let's start our video. Before starting the video, I will make a request to you that if you are new to my channel and have not subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to it and also press the bell icon, so that if I bring a video in the future, then the notification will be received. So let's move to video. So first of all, I will show you the design in which we have to do vertical and horizontal scrolling. I have already made this design and its video is available on my channel. So you can go to my channel and watch it first. You can access this video by clicking on the I button. So if you want to learn how to make it, then you should go and watch the video first. So this video is about vertical and horizontal scrolling. So we will talk about that in the video. In Figma, we have three types of scrolling: horizontal scrolling, vertical scrolling, and both side scrolling. And in this video, we will learn how to use all three. First, we will learn how to do horizontal scrolling and how it works. For horizontal scrolling, we have some elements that you can see here. First of all, you have to select these elements and then press right click and click on frame selection. All these elements they will go inside a frame. After that, you have to select your artboard and activate the clip content. After that, you have to click on your horizontal frame and you have to go inside the prototype, and within that you have to go there and select the option of horizontal scrolling. After that, you have to select your horizontal frame, and after that you have to press and hold the edge that will be on the right side and drag it to the left side by pressing Ctrl key. Let's check the preview. Great, it's working. In the same way, we will now do the vertical scrolling also. For this, you have to put all the elements that are for vertical scrolling in a single frame, and each element you want to scroll up in vertical scrolling. And then repeat the same process, go to prototyping, and there we'll select vertical and then click back here. Make sure prototyping tab is active. You have to hold the control button and drag it to the top side, as you can see on the screen. Great, it's working. Okay, so now we're going to both side scrolling. First of all, I'm going to create a shape and mask this map that's inside that shape. And after that, we'll apply both side scrolling. After that, we will do the same process. We will select the frame and go to prototyping. Now we will select the option both side scrolling. Let's check the preview. Great, it's working. So I hope you will like today's video. If you like, then don't forget to like the video and share with your friends in your community. And again, I will say, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon, so that if I bring any video in the future, you will also get the notification. Goodbye.